Step 1. Begin by opening up Safari. Step 2. Select the Bookmarks drop-down tab located at the top of the screen. Step 3. Select Add Bookmark Folder. Step 4. Type in the name you wish to label your new bookmark folder. Step 5. Hit the Enter/Return key on your keyboard. Step 6. Navigate to the website you wish to bookmark under your new bookmark folder. Step 7. Select the Share button located at the top left corner of your browser. Step 8. Select Add Bookmark. Step 9. Select the drop-down menu located under the words Add this page to. Step 10. Select your new bookmark folder. Step 11. Select the Add button.